Okay, so please state your name and tell everybody where you're from.
My name is Adrian Sizer. I'm from West Texas.
Well, so you traveled a long way too.
6-hour air flight.
6-hour air flight. All right. Well, it's beach driving, right?
All right.
So you have a detailing business now?
Yeah, I just started about a month and a half ago.
Excellent. And so Friday was the business and marketing class. What do you think of that class? Do you think it helped you at all?
Yeah, it's pretty thorough. It just helps you get started. Make sure you have all your accounting stuff in order. Make sure you're lined out with taxes, with your just everything really. Just make sure you're advertising,
Social media,
marketing.
marketing.
Yeah, it goes through everything.
So you felt it was worthwhile?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Excellent. What about on Saturday? Because yesterday that was the contact wash, paint correction, and coating training.
The best thing about that is giving you a more detailed way of doing a detail. Anybody can wash a car, but being professional, you need to detail everything.
Right.
And so it gives you a more concise way of doing it versus just being sporadic. There's a process. You follow a process, you're not missing anything.
What about the ceramic coating? Do you feel that you're going to be able to, what you learned this weekend, take it back, get some customers, make some money with that?
Yeah, the paint correction and the ceramic coating is always my favorite, most enjoyable. And it gives you the pop on your vehicle. Like a brand new vehicle is nice looking, but when you put the ceramic coating on it, it just adds something else
Pops.
to it. And not only does it give you the protection, but it just makes you feel better when you do it.
Absolutely. What did you think of the interior training today and also with the coating?
Yeah, the interior is the same thing. It's just a more thorough way of doing it. I mean, there's more to detailing a vehicle than just vacuuming it out and wiping something on the interior. There's a process, and if you follow the process, it just makes things easier on you, and the client will be happier.
So do you think what you learned this weekend for the hands-on components Saturday and Sunday is going to be able to shorten your times without really taking any shortcuts on the job?
Oh yeah, absolutely. You can actually get more done in a shorter period of time by following what you guys teach here.
Excellent. Would you refer others to come to our class?
Absolutely.
Excellent. What if they were a competitor?
I don't know about that.
Well, thank you so much. You're a great student. We appreciate it. And you are now Detail Czar certified.
Thanks.
All right. You're welcome.